Good morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Wednesday here at VCHS. We're your hosts. I'm Jeff Stockwell.
And I'm Landon Hickey. We'll start out with today's lunch. Today we will be having nachos with Mexican beans, Spanish rice, steamed corn, tomatoes, mandarin oranges, churro chips, and of course cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
I'm Stuart Hess, and this is today's top 5 news stories. Over 100 vehicles involved in Oregon highway crash amid whiteout conditions. Igloo recalling 1 million plus coolers after fingertip amputations. Trump administration laying off all federal probationary employees. Department of Veteran Affairs laying off 1,000 plus medical personnel directly serving veterans. A drone damaged the outer shell of Ukraine's Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Have a good day.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Reverence. Deep respect for someone or something.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Martin Luther King Jr.
Struggling to select elective classes? Maybe you'll consider today's class spotlight as an option.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Card. I am teaching aviation this semester with this project. This project is specializing in calculating lift on aircrafts. So with the materials that we have, we're just using paper airplanes, but that simulates calculating that. Good.
Hello, my name is Jackson Lincoln, and I'm a student in the aviation fundamentals class. One reason why I took this class was to set up for my future career. I want to go into the aviation field, and this is perfect. One thing I like about this class is that it's pretty chill. Teacher's amazing. Mrs. Card, shout out. I also just get to learn about what I'm passionate about. Things that I've learned in this class is a lot of aviation related things. We're learning how to calculate lift right now, and that's really fun, as I'm pretty good at math too. We're throwing airplanes around, and that's really fun.
Listen up, we have an announcement for our spring show.
Play-on auditions for the drama department are coming up soon. Please see Miss Jolly in BO3 for audition materials, with auditions being Monday, March 3rd and Tuesday, March 4th, 3 to 4:30 p.m.
It looks like a few clouds tomorrow, but it's better than being frozen. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
Hi, I'm Cody Finch. Today's high is 57 with a low of 33. Have a great day.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, BC.
February 26, 1993. In New York, a bomb built by Islamic extremists explodes in the parking garage of the World Trade Center. The blast kills 6 people and injures more than 1,000 others. More than 8 years later, the Twin Towers fall in the September 11th terrorist attacks. 1987. The Tower Commission rebukes then-President Ronald Reagan in its report on the Iran-Contra affair. It concludes Reagan failed to control his national security staff in the Arms for Hostages scandal. 1815. Napoleon Bonaparte escapes from exile on the Isle of Elba to begin his second conquest of France. His return to power lasts just months until he's forced to step down after losing the Battle of Waterloo. 1928. Fats Domino, the R&B singer who became one of rock and roll's earliest stars, is born in New Orleans. And 1932.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher.
Singer-songwriter Johnny Cash, country music's man in black, is born in Kingsland, Arkansas. Today in history, February 26th. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.